Welcome to Lesson 8 of this module. We'll be going through the step-by-step process of posting your articles on your website in this lesson. This is Grant Worley, you're watching AMZ Affiliate Bootcamp video, so let's dive in to exactly how to post your articles. First off, to post your content, go to Posts and Add New. Since you've already had someone write great content for you from the last module, the main thing you'll want to do is just make sure the backend is optimized for things like keywords and readability. When posting to WordPress, make sure your new articles have the following things to make sure that they're perfectly optimized. First off, you should have a focus keyword. You should be clear on the most important focus keyword or main keyword for each post. Then from there, you can find additional long tail keywords related to the core keyword to include in your article. Now, try not to confuse search engines by having multiple posts targeting the same set of keywords. So that's one post per focus keyword. Next up, you're going to want to make a catchy title. This is what the users see first when they land on your site. A good headline keeps the visitors interested and keeps them reading your content. You should include the main keyword in your title, but make sure it sounds natural. So, for an example, 13 wonderful beauty benefits of lemon for skin and hair. The main keyword is beauty benefits of lemon, and it sounds quite natural, and the title itself is extremely compelling. Now, the URL should be short and descriptive. Avoid non-SEO friendly URLs like your domain name.com /p=23 or having a super long URL like using every single word of the example we just gave, 13.com /13 wonderful beauty benefits of lemon for skin and hair, right? That's way too long. Instead, keep the URL as short as possible while remaining descriptive and including the main keyword. A person should be able to look at the URL and also figure out what the page is about. You can also cut out the sort of small, short connection words like of, and, or, the, etc. So for example, the correct URL structure for the example that we gave of 13 wonderful beauty benefits of lemon for skin and hair could simply be domain.com /lemon-beauty-benefits. Next up, your post should have a table of contents. Table of contents helps users navigate through your article easier, especially if it's a long one. It's a great tool for user experience because it allows for visitors to preview all the major subtopics within the content and even jump straight to the section that they're interested in. We can create a table of contents easily with Thrive Content Builder or a free WordPress plugin like Table of Contents Plus. Some other important considerations with posting your content is that it should be well formatted and with relevant multimedia, because text can only take you so far. If you have engaging images, videos, and diagrams, you can reduce your bounce rate and increase the time people spend on your site and the enjoyment of when they actually go through your content. So you can use the default what you see is what you get editor in WordPress. Now, if you want to check out the Thrive Content Builder to increase the formatting and do some extra cool stuff, like add in a table of contents and whatnot, you can go to amzaffiliatebootcamp.com /go/thrive-content-builder. Next up, we have categories and tags. Categories are meant for broad groupings of your posts. Think of these as the general topics or the table of contents sort of for your overall site. Categories are there to help identify what your blog is really about. It's really to assist readers to find the right type of content on your site that they're most interested in. It's also important to note that categories are in a hierarchy, so you can also use subcategories. Tags are meant to describe specific details of your posts. Think of these as your site's index words. They're the microdata that you can use to micro-categorize your content. And tags are not in a hierarchy. Usually we're going to choose one category and 2 to 5 relevant tags for each post. The next important thing to do is to optimize the title tag and the meta description tag. So you're going to want to install a plugin called WordPress SEO by Yoast first to do this for you. You're going to enter in your focus keyword, which is the main keyword, and follow the plugin's instructions to optimize your article for SEO. Your SEO title tag doesn't have to always be the same as your post title, but it has to include the main keyword, preferably at the start. A study by Moz found that pages that started their title with a keyword ranked higher than those with the keyword in the middle or end of the title. So it's important to keep your keyword towards the beginning of your title. You'll also want to keep it under 60 categories to avoid cutoff when displaying the title on search engines. You can also include modifiers to optimize your title for more long tail keywords in addition to your main keyword. In our example above, our page will likely rank for beauty benefits of lemon and benefits of lemon for hair and benefits of lemon for skin at the same time because we have all the variations in our title in addition to our core keyword that we're actually trying to rank for intentionally. Your meta description tag needs to be compelling so you have higher click-through rates from people searching on Google because it's something that they can see. And you'll want to limit the length to under 156 characters so you can see it. Include your main keyword and different variations if you can as well in your meta description tag. One thing you'll also want to do before you post your content and make it live is to have proper alt tags for images. So search engines can't see your images when they look at your website. They look at your images and they see the alt tags, which is why we need to have proper alt tags or alternative tags for each image so they can know what the image is supposed to be about. Make sure that all the images that you insert into your post have proper alt tags. This one helps with your on-page SEO, and really the trick is to have descriptive names for your image files and install a plugin called SEO Friendly Images. The next time you upload an image, the plugin will automatically fill in all the alt text for you, just to make it very, very easy for you. Now, the second to last thing you'll do is have internal and external links. Internal links are links relevant to your posts within your website. Right? So internal links help to increase time on your site and engagement as they link through to different parts of your site. So people can read one post, link through to another, and they'll spend more time there and consume more of your content and are more likely to click on one of your affiliate links. Now, external links are links to authoritative and credible websites in your niche. External linking helps to increase your credibility with visitors and to Google, and it also makes for overall better content. Now, the very last thing to think about is your affiliate links. So first of all, remember that not all posts require affiliate links. In fact, it's probably counterproductive to have an affiliate link in every single post. And you also want to limit to one affiliate link per 200 words. So if you have a 1,000-word article, the maximum number of affiliate links is 5. This helps to prevent your site from being penalized by Google for having too many affiliate links. Overall, the perspective should be that you should include them where they're relevant and they overall help your content, but don't try and just squeeze in as many as possible because your users will hate you, they'll leave instantly, and Google will penalize you for it. Alright, so that's how you post content articles to your website. Now let's move on to the next lesson.